The global pandemic is changing the business equations worldwide. Difficult times demand distinct solutions. We took it as our mission and we made the Global Builder, a state-of-the-art web portal to take the construction business online. As the challenges faced by every business are different, the solutions required are to be unique and tailor-made. Our highly acclaimed business solutions are marketing solutions for manufacturers and distributors. Whether you be a local or international manufacturer or distributor of building materials or decor products, we help you to create digital library to showcase your products and services in our portal, and it will be shared with 10,000 plus professionals, holding decision-making titles in the UAE, and Middle Eastern construction, architecture, interior design and decor industry, to promote your brand, products and services. Marketing solutions for contractors and consultants. If you are a contractor or consultant in the construction sector, you can make professional company profile of your business with the help of the advanced inbuilt tools in our website, showcasing your clients and projects with the scope of projects executed, project value and pictures. You can feature your production facilities, team strength, awards and recognitions your company earned, etc., to attract more potential clients and win more contracts. Construction intelligence services. We track UAE construction projects in all key sectors like hospitality, residential, educational, healthcare, etc., and update our subscribers with latest developments in projects along with the contacts of key parties involved such as developers, consultants, contractors, subcontractors and suppliers. Subscribing to this unique database allows you to introduce your products and services to high-level decision makers in major construction projects and win more contracts. FM Intelligence Services. We track the operations of around 1,000 buildings in UAE that require regular facilities management, maintenance and periodic refurbishment services. This list is made up of residential buildings, hotel resorts, schools, universities, hospitals and clinics. This unique database contains the contact of the building maintenance, procurement representatives with whom our subscribers can propose their services and win more business. We help to accelerate your business using state-of-the-art technological solutions.
We are the Global Builder. We are the future of construction. For more information, visit our website www.theglobalbuilder.com. We welcome you to create a free profile page of your business in our website.